Okay folks, so this is part two of my unboxing and setting up of my new LG 34WL750-B monitor. So what happened was when I plugged it in to the HDMI, it came up, I went into the display settings, and in the display settings I have a 4K screen on my laptop. It registered the LG monitor as the same resolution as the 4K, which is 3840 by 2160. So everything was squashed down, but was interestingly enough, it actually all displayed on the screen. So I went in and tried to adjust it, and it wouldn't let me adjust it separately. I eventually had to go to LG support and download their software. And the way you do that is you just go to download on the LG site and download the on-screen control software, and then in the process of doing the installation of the on-screen control, it'll restart. After your computer restarts, you can go in and now you'll see that you have settings for the screen resolution. Now you can see on the screen, I don't know if you can see on the screen here, it's kind of small, but this is the on screen control that comes up, and you can say full screen or how you want to divide up the screen. Don't have to really do too much in here. You can adjust the monitor settings and what have you. Once I did that though, something interesting happened. The monitor complained about the HDMI cable, saying that it wasn't powerful enough or couldn't possibly handle the resolution. So I switched the cable that came with the monitor out to a premium HDMI cable, and then everything seemed to work really fine. I then went into the display settings and adjusted it to be the correct resolution, which is 3440 by 1440 on the HDMI. And then this monitor can go at 60 hertz. However, my driver, or my computer, can only do 50 hertz. So I set it to 50 hertz, and it seems to be working fine at 50 hertz. I can't drive it to 60 hertz. So maybe your computer has the ability to go to 60 hertz. But anyway, the resolution has been great. The monitor is really nice. I actually got a really pleasant surprise with this monitor. If you look at the specifications online, it says that there's no built-in speakers. However, when I put something on that had audio, all of a sudden I got this beautiful sound coming out of this monitor. It appears that there's two downward speakers on this monitor, and from my listening, it sounds, they sound pretty nice. So, and they're driven through the HDMI, so there's no additional cables that have to go into the monitor. So the only thing I have going into the monitor is the HDMI and the power cable. So that's pretty much the review here. I give it a thumbs up. I think it's a very decent monitor. Does the job well. The only downside was the HDMI cable that actually came with the monitor. Once I upgraded it to a premium HDMI cable, or ultra HDMI. HDMI is an interesting specification because the cables aren't really clearly marked or labeled, and then they use code words like premium, ultra, ultra with Ethernet, etc. So just make sure you have a good HDMI cable, and everything should work fine. All right.